shot. This my motherfucking mother right here. Back in the studio, we gon' turn the things up. Hold up, I'm with that. Fuck what you just don't get that. I'm playing with my mic on your shit back. Trying to tell you little nigga that I'm with that. I'm with that. I'm with that. I'm trying to tell you little nigga that I'm with that. I'm piping on my mic on your shit back. Trying to tell you little nigga that I'm with that. One word and I'm down for the get back. Ask y'all like go to the get back. Like rock back to where the shit's at. Right down the street, I was on my hat hot. Came up, turn around in the trash spot. Niggas know me from back in the day. When the block where the folks don't play. From the city where the streets don't see. Don't speak on the shit, don't creep. Sometimes I need the G. Bring the Lord my soul to keep. Beat niggas walk around with perks. When the box, you might need a nurse. And call the law. You was blessed in, I was on the wall. Looking around like I'm 7 feet tall. Right there by the brick yard mall. In the line that I probably saw. With that Mossberg on the wall. With the hands up, put my shirt on. So I'm shooting in the game, my shirt on. On those we going outside. From the park all the way to the air. Hold up, I'm with that. I'm the smoke, but you won't come get that. I'm piping, I might put your shit back. Try to tell you little nigga, I'm with that. I'm with that, I'm with that. Try to tell you little nigga, I'm with that. I'm piping, I might put your shit back. Try to tell you little nigga, I'm with that.
Can't fuck with us, they ain't got nowhere to run. Plus, sport bitch, yeah, we been on the hunt. Kick you in the motherfucking head like a pun. Fucking on this bitch, she got junk in the trunk. You don't want no war, nah, I just go straight off. I ain't gonna let them know laws, now I'm breaking all the laws. Punching, kicking through the walls, all them hoes, I do them all. Fuck them up and narrow, tapping straight in, yeah, now I'm screaming cannonball. You been living in a world where you can't evolve. Pussy boy was sending shots, but he missed them all. I'm trying to tell them don't hang out where you don't belong. In my city, keep your pipe, that's the protocol. He been chillin' with the clear, drinking all along. Better watch out with your people that they hang around. In Chicago, don't get comfortable and take the sound.
Hold up, I'm with that. I'm the smoke, but you won't come get that. I'm piping, I might put your shit back. Try to tell you little nigga that I'm with that. I'm with that, I'm with that. Try to tell you little nigga that I'm with that. I'm piping, I might put your shit back. Try to tell you little nigga that I'm with that. This is skyline music. When we get together, we got skyline music. I love this nigga right here. We done done so much on this stage, and we're gonna keep it going. Come on, how you coming, my brother?
I got the jury and sit on my neck.
That shit'll make me official.
I'm running the office, I'm paying my check. Better pay me that interest. When you say you worry about my bitch, you better mind your business. I'm getting money, I'm loving the flex. I'm just running up digits. I got the jury and sit on my neck. That shit'll make me official. I'm running the office, I'm paying my check. Better pay me that interest. When you say you worry about my bitch, you better mind your business. I'm getting money, I'm loving the flex. I'm just running up digits. Still when we stuck in the trench, I feel them there with a bench. These bitches can't get my attention. I put myself in the bench, drinking the cash business. But I'm in the track of the roast, smoking that out till I'm holding. Only good ass we be rolling. Skyline music, we on it. Too many struggles, now I gotta hustle. I get that money, now I gotta do it. These bitches be hating, I'm up, they bubble. We just had a video, now they in trouble. The mother boys thinking they hating, I'm a level. I'm stuck and I'm running up, came up from zero. I put my chains on, now I'm a pharaoh. That's why I took them champions. Try to live with me, boy, ain't get hazardous. Only doing this shit for my family. Like you been doing more like an animal. Got your bitch wanna pose on my camera roll. But we're crazy, I took too much alcohol. I get money and stacking, I added up. Call me crazy, cause that makes it possible. I got the jury and sit on my neck. That shit make me official. I'm running all over, I'm getting my check. But I can't be that interest. When you steady worried about my bitch, you better mind your business. I'm getting money, I'm living up flex. I'm just running up digits. I got the jury and sit on my neck. That shit make me official. I'm running all over, I'm getting my check. But I can't be that interest. When you steady worried about my bitch, you better mind your business. I'm getting money, I'm living up flex. I'm just running up digits.
These niggas so wrong, so they flipping like pancakes, yeah. Nothing like any of them. These niggas be thinking that they can just rap, but niggas like me wanna strangle them. I done swerved on foot, and had to take buses to the train for a couple of pesos. First pipe that I bought was a 38 special, way before niggas had Dracos. That baby blue with that black for that. Oh, bitch, we ain't rockin' no halo. I'm like copper rushing on the versity. I'm out of the street, but I do what I say so. I'm old school, not just tip on that head. I cannot hold the tequila. I tell these hoes that they cannot be calling, cause I ain't gon' think I'm a cheater. But I go off, boy, just like a rock. Saying I move like a cheetah. But that's when I flex up and go super saiyan. That boy, just like Vegeta. If the chucky calls and you say it ain't spoken, then I'ma tell him
business. I'm getting money, I'm loving the